In this very simple and quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Fetch as Google option to rank and index your content a lot faster. If you don't know what the Fetch as Google option is, the very simple way of explaining it is it's just basically a free tool that Google has where you can get your new content, your new pages, blogs, whatever it is, indexed and ranked on Google way faster. Now, there's a big difference between indexing on Google and ranking on Google. Once you submit content, it is first indexed on Google, which means it's somewhere there. It's like the end of a book. You have a whole index of pages. It's good that it's up there. But then after that, it starts ranking and getting higher and higher in the search results. So by using the Fetch as Google option, you basically make up the process a lot faster. If you don't use the Fetch as Google option, you'll basically be waiting a lot longer to have your new content appear on Google. So let me just give you an example of how this works. I'm going to be submitting this new article that I posted today on one of my new websites. This is the one. So if I go to Google, for example, and I'll check if it's indexed, all I have to do is just type the URL into quotes and click enter. See, it says no results found for this. That's because it hasn't been indexed yet. So I'm going to index it. If I don't use the option to fetch as Google, this may take weeks to index on Google and then even longer to rank. And I just don't want to wait that long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Google Webmaster Tools. And this is where you do the fetch as Google option. I'm going to go to Search Console. Now, in order to use the fetch as Google option, you have to know that you have to be registered with Google Webmaster Tools. I have videos available that will show you how to register your website there. But basically, once you have that set up, in this case, the post that I want to rank is for this URL. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to the left over here where it says crawl and see where it says fetch as Google. I'm going to click on that. Now, once I click on that, it shows my URL, and then it asks me what is the URL that I want to submit to. So I'm going to go back to my site and get the new URL that I have, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it. But here's the quick thing. See how the URL is actually repeating over here? I don't need that to repeat. So all I do is I just erase the part that's replicated here, and this is all that's left. So then I just click on fetch, and you're going to see it right over here. It's going to say complete request indexing. You click on request indexing, just click to say that you're not a robot, and then you click on crawl only this URL. You don't want to crawl. You don't want to use the second option unless you don't have anything fetched with Google on your site and you want your whole site to get fetched. You don't want that. Just click on the first one. Crawl only this URL. Click go. That's it. That's all you need to do. And each time you post new content on your site and it turns into a new page, a new blog post, and so on, just head over to Google Webmaster Tools and use the same option that I just showed you to have that thing index faster and rank faster. This is a really, really cool free option that Google has, and it's completely legal to use. In fact, Google gives you 500 fetch options every single month to use, and it's more than enough for pretty much 99.9% of websites. If you have any questions about this tutorial, ask me below. And like I said, if there are any questions about how to submit your site to Webmaster Tools so you can use the Fetch as Google option, I left the link below this video that'll take you there. Thank you very much for checking this video out, and have a good one.